Welcome to Vaughan's Days Out, guys. We're in the land of cheese and castles. We're here at Caerphilly as the Caerphilly Cheese Festival. Whoop. Well guys, there's stuff everywhere. We're in the main town centre. We've got stalls here. There's also stalls around by the castle. It's quite a bit. A bit off the big cheese subject, but look at this, guys. Halloween land. I love Halloween. I must visit. I shall visit. Oh, Marley found some truffles. Well, tiramisu truffles. They're really nice.
What's a milk chocolate truffle?
Look at them, guys. Isn't that nice, Marley? So, try it then, see what you think.
I'm scared.
Nice? Yeah? Seal of approval?
Nice.
Nice. There we go. I got a cappuccino one. Oh, look how cool this is, guys. Watch this train. Awesome. Off he goes.
No. Your centre of gravity.
Really cool name, Marley.
Not nice.
The dragon there. The old Welsh dragon. More stalls in the centre, you guys. Now, Spud Boy's right was here. He'd be straight in this stall. He loves a samosa. Food vans here, guys. I am filming every stall, but try and go I can. Right, shaking bacon. Here comes the rain. We avoided it, and now we're starting. We've had to revert to putting our coats on now, guys. Right, there's more stalls around here. There's quite a few stalls. All your food stalls around here, guys. And a bit of live music as well. Everyone's got the same idea, they've all run into the shelters. The ring's terrible. Hot dogs over there. Yeah, it's all this, all food court. About the weather, guys, because it was very busy a minute ago. It was like everyone's just going now because the rain, look at it, it's packed here a minute ago. More stalls, guys, loads of stalls. Best part of Caerphilly, these views of the castle, like what lush that is. And down there, guys, you've got Paul Wheeler's Punch and Judy. So, you know what's up this way. We've also got falconry. Okay. Stalls. Just talking to the Welsh printers guys. The 3D printing company. We seen them at the truck festival. Oh yeah, guys, going this way now. Some more stalls, guys, run across. Look at this. This view is always the best. Need to the castle one day. See Paul down there with Punch and Judy show, the falcons. But the fair and everything all goes right the way around. What's that, boy? Arts and crafts. Arts and crafts, boy. Stalls all the way around, guys. They're all the way around the castle as well. Marley, come this way, look at this. Shoot mum, yeah? Totally. Welsh water, there's plenty of that in the sky. Oh guys, it goes all the way up to the top, up there. It's insane. There we go. Hello, is it the other day, won't we? Got an impel the other day. Maybe. I know, we had to. It says twice a week you see them this week. I got a bird there, Marley. Oh. Well, live music on you guys.
Are you doing one or not? There are people waiting.
Oh yeah, mate. This is the best view, guys. Amazing view. Bye bye.
That's actually fun.
Not racing van. There's more stalls down here as well, guys. The castle looks stunning from here. The only thing, guys, when you live in Wales, is the rain can either make or break an event. So, yeah, when it's like this, obviously now people are going home, people are getting wet, they don't want to go on the rides, they don't want to go to the stalls, because it's just hammering down.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Talking back to you.
Quack, quack.
Mac. Oh, look at that, Marley. Look at those pigs there.
No.
In like a massive tent now. Try it, eh? Got food and stuff. What are you doing? Come on, boy. Oh, them donuts there, boy. Yeah, nice, isn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, tasty they do. I'm not sure about the weather is outside, but you can really see how heavy the rain is from there. Insane. These guys are all dry. Got all different food and stuff in here, guys. Cheese is banging.
No,
Buy me the cheesecake. Buy request of Marley. Hiya, mate.
Hiya, mate.
Just made a purchase with some meat-free sausages. That's lovely. We've got Welsh cakes as well. Welsh cakes here, Marley. Coconut ones, Oreo ones. It's like all locally sourced stuff here. But they're meat-free sausages look good. I just tried the Cajun ones, they were nice. Yeah, there's all sorts in here. Nice though. Oh, I'll try one in free. There you go. Just taste it.
Nice.
Nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. So is it them? We're back in the ring, guys. You've got some more stalls over there. Food stalls and cheese stalls. That's some bonus as well. There's a steam milk store there, guys. I've got the animal displays. We'll go over to the wildlife displays. Yeah, it's like a deck chair over there. I've taken this another one of the stages, but it's a bit quiet on one of the ring. Oh, hedgehog. Meerkats.
Meerkat.
Cut chin up. Cut chin. Oh yeah, mate. Sweet. Oh, don't scale up. Oh yeah, mate. You're on YouTube. You're on the telly. Hiya, mate. Well, there was donkey rides in there, guys, but obviously because of the weather, they've gone away. This rain's horrendous. We're going to the fair now. The view of the castle's stunning though. It's a shame because the weather's letting it down. Crazy cages in action, guys. I've been on with these a long time. Go, go! While he's driving, help. Well, home sizzler, Marley. I got a wet arse. You got a wet arse too, have you?
Yeah.
Starting. Here we go. The only one's on you. It's a shame, guys, because it said this place where you rammed if it was dry. You got a wet arse, Marley.
Yeah.
You haven't done this one yet, have you?
No.
You haven't done the under home sizzler yet, have you?
No.
Is it the first time for you? Cycle, that was awesome. You get a lot of scissors, you don't get a long cycle. But yeah, hold on now, it's so awesome. Yeah. My own on the big wheel, the mini wheel. Any boy? Bye. Let's go to the top now. There he is. Hiya, mate. Enjoying that one. Yeah, well, guys. Can you see him now and come back up? Marley. Well, that was our Gone Fair, guys. I was talking to Andrew Holmes as well. So he confirmed that he has got Winter Wonderland coming back to Newport this year as well. So that's awesome. So that he's doing that. I got a couple of people here singing. There you go. There's a little stage area. Are you going to get some sweets?
You can try and bake.
Different colour pigeons, huh?
Hiya, mate. So we're gonna end the vlog here, guys. We're gonna head back. Look, this event is huge. It's absolutely huge, but unfortunately the weather just killed it off. But look at this view. This view is absolutely stunning. Thumbnail time. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. It's a shame we couldn't get more footage because I would have carried on filming, but it's just the weather's too bad, so we're gonna have to head back, guys. Marley, did you enjoy it? Enjoy your day?
Yeah.
Yeah? You enjoyed his day. That's the main thing, guys. Come out and enjoy it. So if you like this video, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Bonsai's on. Hope you on.
Wait. The shoes vessel was nice.
It was nice. Bonsai's out on YouTube.